let's take a look at how to express where we are going or where we go in Spanish. And I'm going to use a formula to help explain this structure, and I want you to remember it. So the first thing we need is the verb ir, okay? The second thing we need is an a, and the last thing we need is a place, okay? So we need uno, dos, tres. We need all three things. Now, the verb ir means to go, okay? So we have to conjugate it when using this formula. So we have voy, vas, va, vamos, and van, okay? Now, remember that this V here is pronounced like the B as in boy, okay? It's not pronounced like the V as in Victor. It's pronounced like the B as in boy. Now, let's give some examples of how about some popular places, okay, that we go to often or frequently, okay? So, let's see. You probably go to la universidad, the university, often, okay? Another place you may go quite often is, how about la fiesta? Maybe you go to the party. Another popular place would be, how about el gimnasio, the gym. Maybe you're a gym rat and you like to get buff. And one more popular place, how about el baño, the bathroom, right? That may be the most popular place out of the four, okay? So these are some popular places. Now, let's give some trigger words that will allow us to use ir plus a plus place, okay? And the first trigger word we are going to use is ahora, which means now, okay? Another trigger word is mañana, tomorrow, okay? And the last one is a phrase, and so we will write todos los días, every day, okay? So now let's write some sentences using these trigger words. So in this first sentence, I'm going to write ahora vamos a la universidad. So now we are going to the university. In this second example, I'm going to write mañana. Let's see, what am I going to do tomorrow? How about voy a la fiesta, okay? And in this third example, todos los días, every day. How about vas a el gimnasio? You go to the gym, okay? Now, let's check these sentences to see if they have all three elements, okay? Ir plus a plus place. So, ahora vamos a la universidad. Now we are going to the university. So here is our form of ir, here is our a, and here is our place, okay? Let's look at number 2. Mañana voy a la fiesta. Tomorrow I'm going to the party. So here's our verb ir, here's a, and here's our place. And finally, number 3, número 3, todos los días vas al... Oh, we have to point out something here, okay? Whenever we have a and el in Spanish, this creates one of our contractions. And it is going to become al, okay? So let's check to see if this sentence has all three elements. So we have 1, 2, and then here's our place, okay? So if we look at our places up here, el gimnasio and el baño will change to al. Okay? La fiesta and la universidad will stay a la. But el gimnasio and el baño are both going to change to al. Okay? Take a look at this formula. If you have any questions, let me know. Hasta luego.